Hey guys, what's going on? Here to tell you a little bit about a product that I literally just bought over this past weekend. I was grocery shopping just at my local grocery store, and I was looking for chocolate. I was looking in like the candy aisle, and I'm looking at everything, and I'm seeing like M&Ms and Dove, and I kept remembering what my friend she's like a personal trainer and really into fitness and eating healthy, and I just remember what she told me. She's like, if you're gonna have chocolate, make sure you have one. I think it had to be like at least 70 or 80% cacao that she was telling me to purchase. I said, all right. What attracted me to this, besides the fact that it's chocolate initially, is it's an endangered species chocolate. Like, that's what it's called, and I believe they donate money to like an organization. Let's see, so I can show you guys. Yes, our 10%, our promise: by choosing this chocolate bar, you are supporting conservation programs worldwide. 10% of net profits are donated to nonprofit partners that protect and preserve wildlife. Look inside for info on the owl. And this is look inside for info on the jaguar, because it's a different type of chocolate. So I love dark chocolate, and I love dark chocolate with sea salt and almonds. So being that this is 88% cacao, I opened it up and I tried a block of it. This is how it comes. Like these blocks of dark chocolate. There's a good amount of them. So I tried it, and my honest opinion was, I was like, whoa. I'm like, this is so bitter. But then it was weird, because then I had a small piece of it, and I'm like, wait, I kind of want another one. And it tastes like chocolate, but it's very, very bitter, and I think it's because there's barely any sugar. So serving size is half a bar. So there's 210 calories, 180 fat calories, and 17 grams of carbs, but the sugar is very low. So I don't know, I guess it's just very bitter because of that. And I didn't realize, like, cacao on its own it's very, very, very bitter tasting, but really good at the same time, but just different than what I'm used to. And then this is a little bit different. So this one is the endangered species dark chocolate with sea salt and almonds. So this one has 17 grams of carbs in the original. This is 20 grams. Sugar is 11 grams, a little higher in sugar, 18 grams of fat. So I'm thinking, I haven't tried this one yet, I'm thinking it's going to be not as bitter, because it's 72% cacao and this one is 88% cacao. So a little bit more. What attracted me to it was, of course, the fact that it helps endangered species. Like, I was like, oh, like, I saw the name, just like endangered species, really caught my attention. I love animals. I always try to donate and help to wildlife and animals in any way that I can. It's something that I hold really close to my heart. So it's also fair trade certified, non-GMO, project verified, certified gluten-free, and certified vegan, and 3 ounces per bar. And so to look at a little more on here, so dark chocolate with cacao's ingredients: bittersweet chocolate, cane sugar, soy lecithin, allergens, contains soy, produced with equipment that also processes products containing milk, peanuts, and other tree nuts. Interesting. So it's vegan, I get, but it sounds like there might be traces of milk if it was on a piece of equipment that did maybe produce milk or something like that. I don't know, but it still says it's vegan. So cocoa and vanilla, fair trade certified and sourced from fair trade producers, sugar traded in compliance with fair trade standards, total 99.5%. So it's product of the USA. It looks like Endangered Species Chocolate is companies based in Indianapolis. So very interesting. Oh, I guess you could recycle the bar. I think that U on here stands for kosher, if I'm not mistaken. Right here, I think. I mean, I really like it. I love chocolate, and I love the fact that it's chocolate that kind of helps animals and donates to a really good cause. Like, that's pretty amazing to me. I mean, I guess it tells you So 10% of net profits from the sale of this chocolate have been given back to support the work of the Rainforest Trust. I guess it's a company there. Interesting. And it kind of tells you a little bit more inside here on that. So I think that's pretty interesting. So yes, it is bitter, but it's like a healthier for you chocolate bar that protects and helps give back to wildlife. And I think that that's really, really awesome. Oh, it says Rainforest Trust works closely with local communities and conservation organizations to purchase and protect threatened tropical forests to save endangered wildlife. Celebrating 27 years of successful conservation efforts, Rainforest Trust has protected over 11 million acres of critical habitat in 20 countries. Very interesting. I might look into that a little bit more. So yeah, just the brand is great, and if you could get used to having a little bit of a bitter chocolate that's, you know, healthier for you, then definitely try out the endangered species chocolate, the dark chocolate, and then the dark chocolate with sea salt almonds, which is going to be a little bit more maybe like the chocolate that you're used to, because it's not going to be as bitter. It's less cacao and a little bit more sugar than the dark chocolate with 88% cocoa. But I hope you guys try out the endangered species chocolate, and I hope you guys find the video useful. Thanks for watching.